Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to choose your contact preferences for drivers in the Uber app. If you've ever wanted to control how Uber drivers reach out to you, this is the perfect guide. Let's get started. First, open the Uber app on your phone. Next, tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner. Then go to Settings from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down and select Communication. Finally, here you will find options for call, chat, or both call and chat. You can select whichever method you prefer for the driver to contact you during your ride. That's all. Now you've learned how to customize your contact preferences in the Uber app. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.